Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Yo YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Now you found this video because you want to know how to get free Pokeballs in Pokemon Go. This is a working method in 2025 using a Pokemon Go promo code. You can enter in-game and it's going to supply you with 5,000 free Pokeballs. There is also codes for free Pokecoins, but I've already created videos on those. So I thought I'd create this updated tutorial for 2025 showing you how to go ahead and grab 5,000 free Pokeballs in Pokemon Go. So you need to use a mobile phone and open up the internet browser. Now this is just a promo code, so it is super simple, guys, and you just enter it into the Pokemon Go website or game, and it's going to supply your Pokemon Go account 5,000 free Pokeballs. So go to Cold Coupons, www.coldcoupons.com. So make sure you spell it correctly, guys, and just type this into your internet. I'm trying to type looking through the camera and it is quite difficult actually. So there you go, guys, Cold Coupons. So when you reach this website, let me just put it on light mode here to make it easier to see. You need to go to the search bar where it says search here, click in that box and search for Pokemon Go. You're looking for the Pokemon Go page. Here, there's 3 verified coupons. They're being used as we speak, and look how highly rated they are. They're really popular codes, guys. You can get 10,000 free Pokecoins. You can get 5,000 free Pokeballs, and of course, you can get remote raid passes as well. So I'm going to go ahead and choose the free Pokeballs promo code. This is going to supply you with 5,000 free Pokeballs. So click on Get Code, and this is going to basically pop up confirming your choice. Get 5,000 free Pokeballs in Pokemon Go. Look how highly rated these are as well, and they're being used today. Pretty popular code. So you can see you need to basically click on this button, and this is going to search for a valid Pokemon Go promo code for free Pokeballs. There you go, this code is valid. And it says here your coupon code is ready. The code will be revealed in the box below after verification. So if this is your first time visiting Cold Coupons, you will need to verify you are a real person and not a robot. And this basically prevents people from taking these limited codes, because you can see these codes are limited. So you will need to unlock your exclusive code. So when you click on the button, you're going to see this code unlocker, and it just basically tells you how to unlock your code. It does take about 5 minutes. I had to complete a couple of free tasks, and it's very important. One thing I will mention is you need to make sure you follow the instructions for the 2 tasks that you choose. Because if you don't do it correctly, it won't work. So once you do that, guys, it will redirect you back to Cold Coupons, and your free Pokeballs promo code will be fully revealed, and you can redeem it in game. And that is how to get free Pokeballs in Pokemon Go. So go to Cold Coupons, guys, and just find that Pokemon Go page. And yeah, this is the easiest and best working method to do that. So hope you found this video useful. If you did, go ahead, smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next tutorial. Peace, guys.